Hi everyone, welcome to Engineering Mastering Made Simple channel. Today going to discuss about translation media. Translation media is the communication path through which data travel from sender to receiver in a computer networks. It is a body broadly classified into wired communication media. Second one is a wireless communication media. Wired communication media, guided media. It is wired media signal travel through a physical cable. Types of wired media: twisted per cable. Two instruction. This twisted per cables features low cost, easy to installation, used in telecommunication and LAN networks. Advantage: cheap, flexible, easy to maintain. Disadvantages: limited bandwidth, more noisy interference, short distance communication. So application: telephone line, Ethernet networks. So diagrammatic representation. It is a color diagram representation. How it inbuilt the wire with the cables, slaves lines. How it will connect a detailed explanation with the diagrammatically. This shielded twisted pair cable, STP cable. So another one is unshielded twisted pair cable. Diagrammatic explanation: shielded, that means of a cover with a shield, bit unshielded, uncover the shielded. There is a major difference. This is also one type of twisted pair cable graphical representation. So twisted per cable sheets, conductor, insulation pair, coaxial cable. Second one is a coaxial of a center copper conductor surrounded by insulation shielded and outer covering also. Features: better production from the interference, high bandwidth, the twisted pair application, cable TV, broadband, internet. Outside shielded socket, conducting shield, insulating layer, copper wire, conductor, side round shield, insulator, outer shield. This overall graphical representation of the coaxial cable. So optical fiber cable uses light signal to fragment data through thin glass or plastic fiber types, single mode fiber, multi mode fiber. Feature very high speed long distance communication, emit the electromagnetic interference. Features: very high speed long distance communication, emit the electromagnetic interference. Advantages: high bandwidth, secure transmission, less signal loss. application. High speed network, optical fiber core, cladding, buffer, socket. These are all main inside the cable builder, like core, cladding, buffer, and sockets. Cross section of the fiber optical cable. Diagrammatic representation. 72 fiber design, 72 144 fiber design. Wireless communication media, unguided media. It is a wireless media signal treated through space using electromagnetic waves. Types of wireless media: radio waves, used for long distance wireless communication. So radio waves, very long distance. Features: advantage, easy communication, large coverage area. Disadvantage, phone to interference, uses less secure. Application: radio broadcasting, Wi-Fi, mobile communication. Is a diagrammatic representation how it will connect the devices. Radio waves, transmitter, receiver. Transmitter transmit the signal, and a receiver to observe or receive the signals. That is a radio waves communication. Microwaves, high frequency electromagnetic waves used for point to point communication. terrestrial microwaves, satellite microwaves, require line of sight communication, high data transmission rate. Advantage: faster communication supported the large band with disadvantage affected by weather, expansive setup, application, satellite communication, cellular network, TV transmission. This micro communication diagram is a different antenna. Antenna sent one antenna send the signal to another antenna. It will receive and transmit at the very long distance. So another diagram, waveguide interferences. It's a mount, replicator, antenna feeder. How it will work the internally in the antenna. Another one is the infrared waves, short range of communication using the infrared light. Future cannot penetrate the walls. Line of sight communication. Advantage: secure communication, low interference. Disadvantage: short distance, obstructor, affect the communication, TV, remote controls, and a short range of devices communication. This infrared, how it will work or how it will communicate with the other devices, diagrammatically representation. Point to point communication are difficult to communicate. How it will difficult? Infrared layers, data transfer, the communication between the infrared devices, and these layers combined to how it will signal transmitted, difference between the wired and wireless. Thanks for watching. subscribe my channel, click on the bell symbol for further video update.